Learn BC. You're here with Jared. We're here in Work Tips. This is tip 7, and we're talking about the bookmark. Now, this is an unutilized feature. So you can see here in my navigation role, I'm in Business Central, but doesn't matter which role you're in. You get these icons directly underneath your navigation menu. They are your bookmarks. So if I was to go into sales invoices, and I wanted to see this all the time, over on the right hand side of my page, I can click bookmark. And just like that, I have now the ability to have this on my bookmark bar, and it is my bookmark bar, which means it's all about my preferences. Now when I'm in Tell Me, I can actually search a feature like archive sales orders, and I may want to see the old sales orders or once quotes have been completed, and through the search, through Tell Me, I can click that just there and add bookmarks to my role. Some roles you'll go into in finance or in logistics, warehousing, manufacturing, by default your role gives you bookmarks that you then have the freedom to use, and in the same way I can go back in and I can remove that bookmark to clear my landscape. That's how you use bookmarks in Business Central. I'll see you in the next video.